Earth's other close and best friend. It forms one of the two luminaries along with the sun. Although, what is moon in astrology? Moon is our mind, the world that makes up our mental environment, mental health and perception. The mind is probably one of the things which sets us apart from animals. The makeup, structure, and development of our brains have set us humans on the highest peak of intelligent life. The moon is our mind. As we know, there are as many minds as there are as many people. Even if people were to be in the same physical environment, the same people would be in different mental states. The flow of thoughts, our mental health, psychology is all linked to the moon. This alone has given the moon great importance in human life and in our astrology. The quality and state of the moon at birth can have many dramatic effects on the native. The moon also governs over our mother, our biological mother, the relationship which develops between mother and child. From the moment she falls pregnant, the relation of the native and mother has begun. The state of the mother when she was pregnant plays a major role in the development of that soul. Even modern scientific and clinical research is being conducted to look deeper into this relationship of mother and child. The moon is an overall feminine energy. If the sun represents the masculine, the moon represents the feminine, or the queen in the royal kingdom. The moon is related to our oceans, and the same water that protects the baby in the womb is said to be made up of the same constitution as ocean water. So we can see the moon's association with the water element. The moon is ruled by the sign Cancer. It is exalted in the sign of Taurus. Both these signs represent privacy and comforts, which further highlights the quality of moon as mother, as someone who provides comforts and nourishment. The moon is debilitated in the sign of Scorpio, which represents the energies of the 8th house. Again, we will look more into this when we get to the study of the houses. The moon takes approximately 2.5 days to move across a single zodiac sign. In about 30 days, the moon would have moved across all the zodiac signs, which implies this is what the ancients also used for the month of the year and for our calendars. From these simple observations, moon takes a single day to move across a nakshatra and a tithi. We will go deeper into this quality when we study the panchanga and all the other amazing factors of astrology. The moon is closely linked to our personality because in our world we have created such a strong link and connection with our minds and emotional bodies. The moon is the closest planetary energy to our earth. The deity presiding over the energy of the moon is Varuna, the ruler of the oceans. He is also famously known as Poseidon in Greek mythology. The moon has two distinct states: the waxing state, also known as the growing state. This is when moon is new and moving towards a full moon. The waning state is the state when the moon is full and becoming dim again. The waxing bright full moon is considered auspicious. It gives a more extroverted personality, and the waning of the moon is usually the one that makes the native more introverted in personality. The water element, the movement of the moon, and the relationship with our mother shows the sensitive quality of moon and the sensitive quality of our mind. This is why mental health and psychology has played such an important role in our society and culture. The moon has also a royal status. It is directly linked to the queen energy, the partner of the king. So both the sun and the moon represent our parents, how we physically incarnate here on earth as new humans about to experience our karma. So these two energies can show us the great primary karma of our soul. The moon plays a massive role in our existence because our state of mind is very much linked to our overall well-being. The moon also has a history of being worshipped by many cultures, which highlights the importance and power of this energy. Next, we will look into the childlike intellectual energy of Mercury.